Greetings to you, my fans, the lovers of Equatorial, the lovers of good culture, tradition, and medicine. I hope you all are doing fine. It's been a while. I never to get a chance to talk or teach people something. But today, I want us to talk about a vision. How to see vision. How to open your third eyes. And I want to tell you that there is no one live in this world we go make you see vision. There is no one animal or one bird we go make you start seeing vision. You know they. So if you be trying, maybe sometimes you see where they teach how to see vision on internet. You copy it. You put it in practice. Later you go say, maybe you say the thing no work. I want to tell you things you need to know today. If other people will not talk about it, I myself, I will talk about it. What we're talking about today is how to open your third eyes. I want to tell you everything relating in open third eyes, in seeing vision. The materials, the items that needed, the rules and the regulation, the do and don't. I will tell you everything today. Like I said earlier, that there's no one live where you say if you apply it, you start seeing spiritual things. You start looking somebody and tell the person in problem. No live like that today. There is not any one bed. You can just say, use this bed and do like this. You see something. No one animal can do that. It works with a combination of herbs, birds, animals, and the spiritual incantation. Now if you make you become to start to see that vision. Now if you open that your third eyes, when you go there like this, you go look person, you go see what the person they pass through. If you tell the person, you go say yes. Now you go make you go there like this, smart. If the bless say sleep carry you, it go show you everything what will happen, both the good, both the bad. Now you go make you go there for altar. They look person like this, they tell them in problem. Vision power is real. Third eyes is real. No be say na person can't tell am person about you, things about you, na make and they talk am. No. Medicine for third eyes is day. Medicine to see visions is day. But it is not what you can just see on internet the way you people think. No be say you see somebody will post about a vision or to open your third eye, just copy them and do. It doesn't work like that. It will make you waste your money, waste your time, your energy. It will make you start having that mindset of all these spiritual things is not working. No? I don't think all these things are working. To make those things work, it requires a spiritual incantation. It requires purification. It requires different types of herbs, different types of birds, and different types of animals. For example, last time I teach about how to use coconut and alligator pepper, also to make you remember your dreams. If something won't happen, you go dream about it. You go see them. And it shows clear. A lot of people give me testimony about it. And some people complain that they do them, but it no work. Now, I want to tell you, I did not teach about that alligator pepper and coconut. Say, once you do them, you can begin to see vision like you look person like this. You go say, see your problem. And the person go confirm true say I'm problem with that. Not be waiting I teach. But some people know they relax to cool down and watch video and learn something. Some people where they spend their time mostly, now where they wear bra and panty, they shake nyash. Now waiting they attract them. Now why did they subscribe? But I must tell you that this internet, good them, the ugly them. Better ones they here, bad ones they. Now for you to put your time and know, because Igbos na anya more kachalacha, but some people don't want to even learn. There are some animals where we say nature don't make them to dey see vision. You by yourself, you don't ask yourself, which animals will be say nature don't give them the power to see vision, to see things will go happen. You don't ask yourself. No. Even you will be spiritualist. You will be native doctor, we won't see vision. We won't get third eyes to deceive things. In case man back alpha, you can see what to tell the person will confirm that yes, this is the problem. You will be saying you be spiritualist. You will be saying you be prophet, you be prophetess, you be pastor. Many people don't spend thousands, millions. Millions, not be like 1 million, oh, like millions. Some go different country. Some stay in this country. And they want to get vision. But the problem is them. It's you that's looking to get the solution. To open your third eyes. Did you do your findings very well? Of course, no. Some people don't care. They don't care to do their findings very well. They don't care. What thing they know, we say, they say that native doctor, they try. You don't make your findings. You don't calculate what the person is saying. Is it relating to what make that a vision or that thing you are looking for happen? This video may be a little bit long, but it will help you and save your energy, save your money, save your time, and also save your belief. Like I said, to see vision is real. Now, let me tell you some few things where they involve. Where we say, you cannot see them. All those things where you see, they teach you do this one to start seeing vision on internet. It's a big lie. It's a big lie. Now me tell you, the only other ones you can see online and try and it will work for you. Maybe something to do about love or some remedies to use for favor, good luck, mercy, opening door, all those ones. A lot of them are on internet. But this particular strong something is not there regular. It's not there rampant as so many of you they think. But I want to tell you some things where they involve. And after this video, I want you to cool down and make your research about these things that I want to mention. I know whether now true say something like this work lastly. Because those things where they find, nature don't already give us. It's just a matter of secret of it. And that's what makes us special from you. Because this is our own field. Although some people it is not their own field, but they claim it is their own field. But that left for you to judge. Now, let me start with some birds. A strong third eye opener, power to see vision, clear. When there are some certain birds, but I'll tell you few. You see this bird where they call O, or be O, where they call Ikwikwi. That bird where we say if you dare like this, in here they turn around. Some people don't capitalize say na evil bird. Maybe anytime where you see them, Ikwikwi, OWL. If you see them for your backyard, or you can't cry for your roof, or you can't shout that bad shout. When in the shout, you go say, it be like say winch people don't come. It be like say spirit of pie don't come. Or now your enemies, now your village people, now then they find you come. Now them they monitor you. Anytime that they said Ikwikwi, it is a big lie. That bird is a very good bird. As a matter of fact, that bird is a messenger. That bird, where you see so, is a messenger of mother of earth, a mother of night. Now, mother of night, now they use Ikwikwi to monitor things that happen in earth. The plans that is going on. So when they are monitoring, they are using that bird to send a signal to you. So the best thing you can do when you see say that bird shout is for you to go and do consultation to know the message when it carry come. No be the bird, be the winch. The bird no be winch. The bird has this ability and energy to see very clear at night, just like person where they see it clear in the daytime. That is how the bird works. And it is mother of night that uses that bird, Ikwikwi, to see things that want to happen. So if eventually you see that spirit come around you, around your house and cry, thank the universe that they still love you to send a messenger to you. And that particular bird is one of the birds they use to see vision. Because it has a natural energy. A lot of spiritual energy that moves around it, that gives him power to see very clear at night. With you, when we say you carry touch, you know go see everything, but man, they see everything in the night, just like who day for daytime. He day for vision. When they want to use it for vision, the most important place where they use for vision is the heart of that bird and the two eyes. When you get them, how to activate that third eyes? You go with a lot of long process. Now, you will get that bird. It has the power to see far. After that bird, let me go to animal. You will get a black pure dog. Black pure dog, what you need is the heart and the two eyes. It is highly spiritual. Pure black native dog. It is very hard to see. And people will get them, they know its value. They cannot sell it for you ordinarily. They will sell it, they'll give you price. You go ask, now dog that they call this price, I've been another thing. Because some of them know what it represents. You see pure black dog, the two eyes and the heart, it follow for vision power. Because dog has the ability to see far in the night and see when spirit is moving and when spirit is going, when spirit is coming. Especially native dog. If you cannot get that pure black dog, you will get the dog where they call 4 eyes dog. You get dog where we know as a dog where get 4 eyes. You go see an eye like this. You can't still get another thing where they like eyes for year. You see an eye like this. You can't still get another one where they like eyes for year. We they call them prophet dog. Now dog where they see past other dog. Now dog where we say if you come life as a human being. Now there you get a spiritual third eye opener to see far, to see spirit, to see things that happen in the land of spirit. Because when you want to see vision, you automatically mean that you want to see things that beyond this planet where you they live. You want to see what things they happen in the other land. Now, it they involve. Coconut get eyes. Coconut get eyes. And the eyes of the coconut, they involve. Coconut get third eyes. And when you come to that third eyes, that place where we say it is soft, where you go feel open. If you watch it very well, you get in your eyes. Now there it is. We make them third eyes. And now that third eyes, now they germinate. If not the one where germinate. But when you know germinate, maybe buy coconut, that place where you go open them, you go see. As that place where you go put small hole, you go see small eyes where go come out for there. Now be the eyes, now that is the germinate. It they involve. You get how many of it where they involve? Cat. Pure black cat. It they involve. Because you want to become a witch. You cannot see vision without you being a witch. It's not possible. Because what you want to see is to want to see what ordinary human being cannot see. Some people don't understand it. Some people just feel like say, Mike, I just wake up. I just find who go give me power of vision. I want to see vision. I want to look people. They tell them their problem. It don't really make inquire. Waiting they involve. Waiting that thing go fit cause. It they involve. Pure black cat, they involve. Now the 2 eyes and the heart. Now you need. It they involve. Cat eyes leaf. It they involve. The seed, where they call cat eyes seed, it they involve. The leaf, it they involve. Mercy leaf, it they involve. Because it gets some spirit, where we say once you see them, and then also you see them, they will hurt you. Now why mercy leaf they involve? And you know that when they see many spirits, if spirit you notice say you they see them, they will first of all ask you they see me? They will ask you in a language where you they hear. They will ask you whether you see them. If you say you they see them, they will go and tell another spirit. Say this person they see us. They will not come to be telling you some messages. They will not come to be sending you some different message. If something will happen for person where we say it always they do sacrifice, they give to them in the junction or in the road, they call upon them. When no get spirit will they give them. It is you, those spirits where they roam around, go come message because they know say they see them. They will call tell you say, go and bring a prophecy. Go and tell so person say this thing like this won't happen to them. Or if so person come to your place, tell them say see in problem because why that person they do sacrifice, they honor them. Leave no be just leave. If you go collect Ogrishi leave, fertility leave now, for instance, collect them, use and do something, make you see result. But if I tell you say, if you collect them now, if you no see result, it is not about going to plug leave and do say because they don't tell you say if you carry this leave, join them, you go walk like this. Automatically you now have the strength. Although some people have the strength, we follow them come, but how you follow those things matters. Today, I can categorically tell you that out of 100 native doctors, for instance, 100% native doctors, 60 or 70% of them plug leaf without talking to the leaf. Go to me anywhere. And those things are what makes those work where they think say, they tell you say na this thing, you know. You read them for the book where your forefathers used to work before. Where did they jot out, how did they prepare something? Your old people tell you say na this thing, but you don't go do them, you know, work. Now how you take that leaf, now how that leaf they take you. It don't just go and plug leaf like that. You need to be in that position to understand that any leaf, when over dry, where they are alive, where they're fresh, it have its own life. It don't just go and pluck leaf like that. You need to talk to that leaf. That is the reason why when is the best time to talk to leaf before you plug it is very early in the morning, when you never talk to anybody. Now, let me tell you some secrets. Sometimes, some people come, even some of my workers, you get time when I go wake up in the morning, everybody, they greet me, they do like say I dey vex for anybody. I know they vex for anybody. I want to tell you the secret today. It's because I have some important work I want to do. And because of that important work I want to do, I want to first of all talk to nature. Talk to the universe. Communicate with them before I talk to you. Because what I need is the help of the nature. I will go and whisper to that grass, to that leaf. And many people will bear witness. There's a lot of people when they come to me, I will tell you, as you go to uproot so leaf, talk your wish there. Tell them your aim, your reason, why you want to uproot it. That thing has its own life spiritually. And if you are not doing that, the frequency will not walk around you. It will not come to save you. And those things, they happen. Spiritual things, they work. Based on if you know the rules of that particular plant you use. Some people, like for example now, you know that scent leaf, you use it for cleansing. But you do not remind the scent leaf that this is what you represent in a spiritual realm. That you cleanse negative energies. So when you do not remind the leaf automatically they dump. You know what they work. So you need to know all those things. What am I saying? In terms of that vision, all those few things I mentioned is very, very unnecessary. And they involve. It is very, very necessary and they involve. There's not any abara. You can just go. The abara will make you start seeing vision. You know they. Now spiritual things where universe take bless us, natures. Now they take prepare them. Because of their own purpose on earth. Universe not just create all this grass, leaves, bird, animals, just to become a fancy. They have their own purpose, what they represent. So when you are doing it, you will tell them what you want before taking their own life. And that is why when you prepare something finish, you use even if not white fowl, even if not a fowl, you use it to say, this is my own sacrifice to you, all these leaves, all the land, all the spirit that I call upon. For the sake of this medicine, I have offered a sacrifice. Make una allow it to work. And you must be sincere before spiritual things they work for you. Some energy, some spirit, like where they need. Some energy, some spirit, like who they talk truth. Once they start lying, they will leave you. And that's why you go see that you get one particular native doctor where you know say in they do work, it they happen. If they do work, it they happen. Automatically, nothing where you go in place, go do where they work again. It don't start lie. Many spirits, it don't left them. It don't start to the lie. It don't start to put a hand for mago. Many spirit will left him or her. And by then, nothing the person do will go get head. You need to know all those things. And see these few things when I mention. If you know they for the work, you know the work. Especially for that vision. Left eyes of those animals when I mention, they go for your own left eyes. They mark them. When they don't join everything, carry some other things when I mention, join them, burn them. You go mark them for a year. Now three. That is third eye. You go mark them for a year. Everything from all those bird, animal, all of them, their left eye, you go burn them separate. Their right eye, you they burn them separate. Okay, you don't know. Their own right eyes, we go, the medicine will go for your own right eyes. Their own left eyes, after preparing, we go for your left eyes. The right will go for right, left will go for left. After you don't mark that three like that. The other one, the heart, they prepare the heart separate. You go mark your tongue. So that when you want to see something, you go remind them. Except the one they want to send you. But when you want to learn for them to review something, because of that, their heart, where you take their own lives and the lives of those animals, that their heart, where their own spirit and soul lives. When you prepare the thing finish, they mark tongue. You go mark your tongue, you go plant them there. And that tongue, you cannot use it to lick all this one when I say on the lick plate again. You cannot use that tongue to lick plate again. Or you go don't spoil them. If they talk, you know go there thief. You go mark that tongue, you go apply them. You go eat them, you go dare your body. All those things give, but you go follow them talk before then they even buy the animal. You don't already remind them, look at what you are, what you do, and this is why I want to use you, so that you'll be working this thing in me. You are not dying totally, but you are not. I'm not buying you totally, but I want to buy you in physical life, so that you will go in spirit and be in me to still be doing this your job. You will tell them why you don't just carry animal and just pile like that. Go plug live anyhow. Like say now you make them come out for there. All those things make these things where you define, you know, get result. It be like that. It be like that. But when you relax and do it very well, you will get the result. And have it in mind that many of the work where will they do, there are things where we say no be native doctor supposed to buy them for you. You get some things where person go tell me, you go tell, I don't know where I go buy this thing. Make I give you money to help me buy it. I tell you, this one I go help you buy. But you see this particular one, you go find them. There is message for that. And that is why many people things know the work. Everything you want to do it. Everything you want to do, want to collect money for everything. No. The person will need that work. Him or her with his spirit supposed to go find some particular things where join the work where they do. Because I don't know. But I just say make I tell you some things that you need to know. And as we follow this instruction, I believe you will get to where you define. The only thing when not they possible, when me I know, not to wake who don't pay. Because nobody own life and nobody will give life. Thank you.